Commit first, figure the rest out later. Hey, it's Dan Lesniak back with another daily dose. That's my big thought for today. It's actually the night before the kickoff for the Hyperfast Sales Bootcamp. Tomorrow's the VIP event, so we have about 50 VIPs. Most of them will come to our office, tour our team, interview different people in our departments, ISAs, outside agents, marketing team, and just learn what they do. We're gonna show them everything about our team and about how to sell 500 homes a year. After that, they're gonna come back to our house. Maybe we'll spend some time in the basement. Maybe we'll go outside, do a little fireside chat, mastermind, and then the next day is the big event. Carrie and I were going over some of the final preps. I'm sure there'll be more final preps tonight. And then I tried to get in a little bit of a workout. Didn't get too much in because it just got too late. Day kind of got away from me. But the big lesson, on the eve of all this for me is commit first, figure the rest out later. And that's kind of how this event went down with Grant Cardone, Billy Jean. We didn't know what we were getting into. We didn't know what it would take to promote and fill an event, get 300 people to attend, and that's how many tickets we've sold. So we're expecting over 300. We just didn't know, and we came up with the idea maybe 90 days ago, not even. We didn't get it live and promoted till 49 days before the event. People thought we were crazy. We learned a ton on the way, figured it out, and we're here. So where in your life are you waiting and trying to get the perfect plan before you commit and do something, or you're just over-educating yourself, overthinking, over-learning before you do it. Now, that stuff's all valuable. I'm not saying just to go by the seat of your pants, but if you really want to accomplish something that you haven't done before, you got to go and do it for the first time, right? The best way to learn is to actually do it. That's how you're going to learn. That's how you're going to figure things out. So that quote, which I heard first from Grant Cardone, I'm sure others have said it, that quote has meant a lot to me going through this process. And, I'd ask yourself, where in your life can you commit, take action, learn along the way? So that's it. I got to get going, get ready for the next 2 days. It's going to be crazy, and I'm looking forward to it. So stay tuned, keep on watching. Hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I'll see you later. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, click that like button, click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I want you to keep getting this great content. And if you want even more exclusive content and direct access to Carrie and myself, click here to learn about how to get a free trial period in our exclusive Inner Circle. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again.